Happy Thursday, everybody. December 1st, time for your weekly market update from R5 Home Loans. Couple things we wanted to touch on today. First off, the new conforming loan balances came out yesterday. The new 1-unit high balance limit is increasing for the first time to north of $1 million from $970,800 to $1,089,300. And probably what's more useful to most of you is that the standard balance limit is increasing from $647,200 to $726,200, which is a really sizable increase. I mean, I remember they were stuck at $417,000 for a number of years, and it's amazing how much they've come up over the last couple of years. And this really is going to provide a lot more conventional financing to a lot of the higher end borrowers. Another thing that came out here on Wednesday was the Chicago PMI number, which is the manufacturing index, and that was a miss by 10 points. Really what that's showing is a slowing of manufacturing and that the Fed rate hikes are really starting to take their toll on the economy. And that's just another sign that hopefully, inflation will start to get under control and that we will see the Fed start to, ease a little bit. And then lastly, Fed Chair Powell, did a Q&A at the Brookings Institute here on Wednesday, and he came out shockingly dovish. Really, he kind of reiterated that we're going to continue to raise, and that we have to see things, and that the full impact of the rate hikes hasn't been felt. But he did acknowledge, the chance of lower rate hikes. And that some of the, impacts could be having an impact. He did acknowledge the lower inflation number that came out last month, and it'll really be interesting to see what the inflation print is prior to the Fed meeting. But the markets definitely rallied on the back of Fed Powell's statements. I think we saw them drop about 20 basis points in rate, and they're down about an eighth for the day. And it'll be interesting to see if we get a little end-of-year rally here as a result. So overall, positive day. It's really the first, kind of dovish statements from Fed Chair Powell. But, we'll see if he comes out, right away and regrets that and sounds really hawkish again. But, we'll continue to keep you guys posted here on our weekly updates and follow us for more.